Ogoni, and particularly my friends in the Michi. Thank you. Secretary to the government, National Security Advisor, and all other government officials, members of the press. Today marks a significant milestone in our national journey towards environmental justice, education, and sustainable development. I have signed into law the bill establishing the Federal University of Environmental Technology. Ogoni has been in the forefront of our development and agitation, and has suffered environmental degradation true enough to bring knowledge into that environment. In that area, to me, is the most significant thing, as we've heard from the Ministry of Education. It's more than the creation of a university. It is reaffirmation of our unwavering commitment to the people of Ogoni, the Niger Delta, and the entire nation as a whole. For decades, the Ogoni people have been at the forefront of fight for environmental restoration and sustainable development, shaping both national and global conversation on these critical issues. By signing this bill into law, we are taking a decisive step towards addressing historical grievances and creating new opportunities for learning, growth, and prosperity. The university will serve as a center of excellence, equipping young Nigerians with the knowledge and skill to tackle present environmental challenges, drive clean energy solutions, and contribute to our national sustainable economic development. Let me, at this juncture, commend the National Assembly, from the Senate President to the Speaker, for all the members, various committees that have seen through this bill. Let me also commend the Ogoni delegation. Your steadfast advocacy for justice and building the confidence of our people in a peaceful manner is encouraging, and it will be rewarding, I assure you. As we look ahead, I urge all the stakeholders, traditional institutions, the academic community, private sector, and partners, and all other youths to embrace this university as a beacon of knowledge, unity, and progress. Together, we will ensure that it not only fulfills its mandate, but also stand as a catalyst for transformational development across the country. I thank you very much for listening. May God bless our country and continue to keep our troops safe.
Thank you, Your Excellency, Mr. President. At this point, His Excellency would want to have Thank you, Your Excellency, Mr. President. The photo session.
Fulfilling all these promises. Nigerians, thank you, and I thank you on behalf of the country. Today, the Federal University of Environment and Technology, Koroma, Sakpensa, and Tai Ogoni. The act is being signed by you today. There can never be a better stimulator of human capital development and economic development more than siting of this university in Ogoni land. This university would deliver high-quality education in area of environmental sciences, environmental technology, ecology, environmental chemistry, environmental microbiology, and also in area of cutting-edge research. The university will support our oil and gas sectors by creating middle-level and high-level jobs to the community. This is a manifestation of another renewed hope where Nigeria economy terrain will thrive. This university will offer opportunities to young men and women in the country who have been deprived of opportunity before this. You look into the future all the time. You make decisions based on generation to come. And whenever a leader makes decisions based on the future of our children and our grandchildren, you can be better assured that those are right decisions that are being made now. Thank you, Mr. President. In an area that has witnessed environmental degradation decades ago, you're taking the bull by the horn. These align well with global goals, sustainable development goals, and more so a national goal in area of climate change. You're bringing an eventual end to degradation of Ogoni land. We thank you, Mr. President, for all your ambitious actions. Thank you.